Wanna learn AutoCAD fast? This beginner guide will help you understand in just 6 minutes. In this video, you will learn what AutoCAD is, the basic commands, how to start drawing, and then tips to improve quickly. Let's jump in. So first, what is AutoCAD? AutoCAD is a design software developed by Autodesk. It's used to create precise 2D and 3D drawings. In civil engineering, we use it for things like floor plans, structural drawings, site layout. Basically, it helps you turn your ideas into professional drawings. Now, let's open our AutoCAD software. When you open AutoCAD software, it might look confusing, but don't worry, focus on just 3 things. The first one is the drawing area. This here is the drawing area. This part is the drawing area. So, the drawing area allows us to draw. The second one is line comment. Line comment is this. This is the line comment. The third one is ribbon. This is ribbon. It's where you can find all your drawing tools. If you understand those 3 parts, you are already ahead of most of beginners. Now, let's talk about the most important comments we need to start. The first one is line. Used to draw straight line. Line is this. How to draw straight lines. Like this. You see? This is line comment. The second one is circle. The circle is this comment. This comment is circle. You used to draw circle, round things. Then you have, after circle, you have rectangle comment. This one. This is rectangle. To draw rectangles. Now for editing now, we have tools like move, copy, and trim and offset also. So those are the most important. To move an object, we have to select this object, for example, and click on move, and then I move it. You see, I move it. And to copy, I come to and select the object and then that I want to copy, and then I click on copy, and then I can copy many of these objects as you see here. You see, this is copy. So trim is the main function of trim is to cut unwanted parts, those parts that I don't want. You see, like this part, I click on trim, and then I click on this part that I don't want. Even this one, this one, this one, and this one. Anywhere you don't want, you can cut it with trim. You see, trim, because it's cut just between intersection of points. So this is what trim does. The offset now is to make a parallel line to the shape that we already have, whatever it is. So when you want to make it parallel, we click on this thing you need, and then you click inside or outside. Inside, now we have, and even this one, we click on this line, we put it inside, you have a parallel line. This is especially to draw walls. You see, if you master these commands, you can already create many types of drawing. Now let's go to precision and coordinates. What makes AutoCAD powerful is precision. You can draw using coordinates like 0, 0 or 10, 0. You should also use something called object snap or snap. Here you can find them here. This is snap or object snap for precision. You see here we have endpoint, center, midpoint, and everything about precision. To click on the center of the point, the middle of the point, quadrant, and everything you want. So let's show the next part. What we have. This is how you make your drawings accurate and professional by using snap and this. Now we have layers. Layers here, you see, layers is to differentiate the layers of the drawings object. Like wall, doors, and everything. If you want to separate them, if you want all of our doors to look in the same color, we can click on the layer and then we change the color. For example, let's select this one as door. All of our doors will be green. They will be green. They will look green. And then if we want our wall to look brown, we can click on layers. We can click on the color, select the color, and then everything will be brown. So this is layer. Layer is to change the color of the objects. Now, you don't learn AutoCAD by watching. You learn it by doing. Practice every day, even for 20 minutes. Start with simple drawings, and the more you practice, the faster you improve. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe and share to others. See you in the next video.